Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a peacock feather. So to start with our peacock feather, we want to begin with the top. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then out like this. Now I want to make the same shape going the other direction. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to curve in, then I'm just going to go out, and then kind of come back here, go a little bit higher up, and then just kind of connect it. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve up, and then back down like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to start down, I'm going to curve this down, and I'm going to kind of make this get really thin as I go all the way towards the end. Now, on the inside of here, I want to draw some of the different details. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to add another line that's just going to kind of curl up and then come down. Then right in here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curl around, and I'm going to leave a little bit open at the end. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and then back down like this. Now, around the edge here, I want to start making all of the little parts of the feather. So these are going to kind of go all over, and I'm just going to go and I'm just going to make some lines that just kind of curve up, and then they're just going to come back down, and you want them to be a little bit wider in the middle and then a little bit skinnier on the ends, and you can make the edges of them kind of pointy too. So I'm just going to kind of repeat this pattern, and I'm just going to kind of fill up the whole area with all of these little parts of the feather. Now, as I'm starting to move down the feather, I'm going to start making these get a little bit smaller. You want these to be like different sizes, so I'm going to make some a little bit longer, some a little bit shorter. But then as I start getting down here, I'm going to make sure that they're starting to get smaller and smaller as they would on a real feather. And when you get to about here, then you can kind of stop. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to make some more of these little parts of the feather, and I'm just kind of filling them up. I'm going to kind of make mine all go in like the same direction. And you're just going to kind of fill these up. Like I said, you can make some of them a little bit taller than the next one, or the last one that you drew. And just going to kind of go all the way around here. And then as I get down to here, I'm going to make these real small. Then I'm going to add some more right around the edge here, and if you look, I'm going to kind of curl these in the best I can. And I want them to kind of follow the shape of this part of the feather. I'm going to draw one up here, and then I'm going to make one real long one at the very top. And then over here, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of fill it in with all of these. Kind of put one there, and then we'll put one more right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a peacock feather. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.